Welcome back to another video. This is very different for me. So this is my very first nail video. I like to do Apres nails. I feel like it's the easiest to do. Apres is basically a press on, but it's like put on your nail with a gel glue, and the nail is actually gel as well. So everything is just like a gel party, but it allows you to do everything by yourself. So I'm starting off with coffin nails today. I felt like doing some coffin nails today, but I have the round ones as well, and you can basically switch this up every single time. I love this method, but I'm just sizing out my nails, and you have to play some music, y'all. Get yourself in the mood. If you gotta play the spa music, play the spa music. If you want to hear some rap, play your rap. Like, get yourself in the mood. I like to soak my cuticles a little bit so that I can like easily remove the skin. So I push my cuticles back and snip off the remaining skin. Now, you don't have to snip it off. You can use tools if you have a drill. I did that as well. I kind of alternated between the two because I'm really kind of learning with my drill right now. And I don't really want to damage my nails, so I'm trying to be very, very gentle and just taking like a little bit off and just learning basically, y'all. It's a learning process. Next, I'm just gonna put a little alcohol to just really cleanse the area because we are about to get started. I'm gonna go ahead and prime my nail. This is just going to kind of seal in some of the gaps and stuff that you just buffed away and stuff like that, making your nail a little bit harder and just priming it so that it doesn't get damaged from what you about to do to it, right? And now I'm gonna go in with a coat of the nail glue. I didn't do this initially, but I feel like this works best for me. I go ahead and cure that, and then, well, you probably should have did this before you even started the process, but you file underneath the actual gel nail, the Apres nail. Now these is knockoff Apres, right? Okay, Apres was like the first brand to come out with it. I got the ones off Amazon. Everything will be linked below. I do add a dollop of the gel to the nail after I've buffed it down, just so that it can really seal the deal. And then I take this little bitty lamp just so I can get it cured enough for me to put it inside the bigger lamp. I like for it to have no bubbles, and that's just the easiest process that I've seen so far. The little one over there, like, you have to put your finger in it a certain type of way and stuff like that, but honey, it ain't even that deep. I would say just go with the other lamp and then get you a big lamp for the actual nails, like to put your nails under there to make sure you cure it even more. So after you have all of those on, make sure that you assess the length. I like to use these clippers here because it gives you such a perfect cut on every single nail. I like it. You don't want to have to feel like you gotta really look to see if they're straight. Like, it just helps you out. And after that, you just want to repeat the same thing on the other hand. Now I'm adding the buffer to my drill bit because we want to buff out the top layer of these nails, take that shine off, and it's gonna give you like a more natural nail, and it's gonna help with adhering your polishes and stuff that you want to put on top of it. So definitely do not skip this step. Buff that nail, girl. And I actually got this diamond file, y'all. I really like this diamond file. It's something about it. It's different than a regular file. It feels very gentle on the nail, and I don't know, it just feels nicer than using the other ones. Like, I don't know, the other ones just make me feel but this one, it's nice. So I went ahead and did one hand, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I did on the other hand. This is actually the next day, because honey, sometimes I don't do them all in the same day. I just take my time, okay? Because I am new to this, okay? But I do actually do it, you know, all at once sometimes as well. I actually have to do that today because I need to change these nails. However, I'm also just getting the glue, the excess glue that may have came up or out of the nail, and just making sure everything is nice and straight before I start to polish my nails. So now I'm going in with my nail primer again. I like to do this before I apply any of my gel polish because I just feel like it adheres better. And then I'm going in with my base coat, which is a nice clear base coat. And then make sure you cure it. I mean, you gotta cure everything basically, friend. Just get used to curing after every step. So now I'm just gonna go in with my base color, and I just go with this. I need some more nudes, and like those, you know, see-through type of nudes. I need some more, but this is the one that I always go with. As you can see, boom, 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 there we go. So now I'm gonna go in and do like my little corner design. I don't know, girl, I just be doing stuff really. But these corner ones, like I feel like you can mess those up and they still look cute. So that's why I always do that. So I got these brushes off Amazon as well. I like them because they're long. You just need one little swipe and boom, you're really done. Just fill it in. Like, it's so easy. So yeah, I was looking at that. I was like, oh, that line's kind of cute. But if I can't do straight lines all the way, no, we're not doing that. So then I was like, let's color it all in. There's a lot of talking for me though. I know I be talking like to y'all, but I feel like with voiceovers, you just got to keep talking and be breathing a lot and stuff. Like, sheesh. So now I'm gonna do a little bit of some by adding a little bit of black because I felt like it just needed it. And so I was like, let's just do some lines. I think that's cute. I think y'all should try it, friend, though. These are really nice. I really like them. I think you would enjoy them. If you like these type of videos, please let me know in the comment section below because I like showing you guys. So, yeah. Hope you guys like it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.